It's been quite a while since I wept like a baby after watching a movie. Hello fellow cineholics, my name is Mugdha and today I'll be talking about the recent Prime release, Shesha. आगे बढ़ने से पहले, I sincerely request you all to subscribe to the channel. Shesha was the code name of Captain Vikram Batra, who is known for his much important actions during the 1999 Kargil War. In time period of 2 hours 15 minutes, director Vishnu Vardhan and writer Sandeep Srivastava tried to illustrate the important fragments from the life of Captain Vikram Batra, primarily focusing on his work for the Indian Army. कहानी की शुरुआत कारगिल वॉर के एक सीक्वेंस से होती है और फिर फ्लैशबैक के थ्रू हमें कैप्टन विक्रम की जिंदगी के जरूरी किस्से कहानियां दिखाए जाते हैं. Undoubtedly, the extraordinary life of this extraordinary human being, who is no less than a real-life hero of our nation, is something difficult to describe in 2 hours, but still, the duration he served for the army, his love story, moments from his childhood and college life are weaved together in an engaging way to provide us with a moving and an inspirational biopic. कुछ लोग जो शायद शेषा को सिर्फ एक वॉर मूवी जॉनरा की तरह अप्रोच कर रहे हैं या करने वाले हैं, लेट मी स्टॉप यू राइट देयर, बिकॉज दैट वे यू विल गेट डिसअपॉइंटेड. Firstly, because there is no detailed portrayal of the war here, and the small segments which are there are similar to what you have already seen before, and that might give you a feeling of deja vu if you've seen other Indian war dramas. But one thing you need to keep in mind is that this film is not about Kargil, it's about the Paramveer Chakra awardee Captain Vikram Batra. There are few moments in Shesha where you feel it's getting too filmy or Bollywoodish, especially during the love story angle. लेकिन अगर आप इंटरनेट पर इंटरव्यूज या इन्फॉर्मेशन देखेंगे, then you'll realize most of them are not an exaggerated version of real life moments. Those are the actual events from his life. A lot of the dialogues are taken from his personal life, especially the most famous one.
मैं तिरंगा लहरा कर आऊं, नहीं तो उसमें लिपट के आऊं, लेकिन आऊंगा जरूर.
I remember Vikram telling one of his friends when he went for the Kargil war, या तो तिरंगे में लिपट कर आऊंगा या तिरंगा लहरा कर आऊंगा, लेकिन आऊंगा जरूर.
This funny, charming, warm, good-hearted young boy was actually quite filmy in real life, and Siddharth Malhotra did a great job executing his personality. From the young college guy to a mature army man, Siddharth played his part with perfection. और efforts दिखते हैं, especially the physical training that he did and his work with weapons. This is hands down the best of Siddharth Malhotra you've ever witnessed. Talking about the performances, Kiara Advani as Dimple Cheema is lovely as well. She is quite likable here. Her chemistry with Siddharth is adorable. Although the characters other than Captain Vikram are not given much screen time, but all the actors executed their part with honesty. Whether it's Shiv Pandit, Anil Charanjit, Raj Arjun, Sahil Vaid, etc. One thing that few people might find a little annoying is the Punjabi accent of Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra. I thought it was messy and a little irritating at times. The cinematography is great. Most of the scenes are shot at the location where the real events took place. Background music complements the impressive cinematography to make sure that we get immersed into the story. This movie is a directorial debut of Vishnu Vardhan in the Hindi film industry, and he surely put his vision in a terrific way. It shows that he has done his share of good research with all the details in the movie. जो कुछ भी छोटे छोटे किस्से बुनकर इस नैरेटिव को कंप्लीट किया है, it's amazing how it sums up a lot about the personality, incredible life of Captain Vikram Batra. Vishnu Vardhan made the movie both entertaining and inspiring in a balanced way. There are flaws in the movie, but if you can overlook a few cons, you will discover numerous elements to admire and appreciate. Shesha has all the components of a good watch: funny, light-hearted conversations, a heart-warming romance, quite intriguing action scenes, and lots of scenes that'll get you teary-eyed. The air around you is going to get emotional. Many parts will surely give you goosebumps. This is a story of bravery, of pride, of patriotism, a story of a fearless and bold leader, an inspiring life of an outstanding human being that you should go and watch right now. I promise it's gonna stay with you. You'll end up becoming a fan of both Siddharth Malhotra and Captain Vikram Batra. For more such movie reviews and recommendations, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video, and comments में बताओ your views about this movie. You can follow me on my Instagram handle by the same name. Thanks for watching this review.